I was just reading this fascinating piece about subscription fatigue, and here's what blew my mind. Americans now juggle an average of 12 paid subscriptions. That's $273 burning through our wallets every single month. But as a pricing strategist, I see something much bigger happening here. This isn't just consumer exhaustion. It's a fundamental shift that's about to reshape how every SaaS company needs to think about pricing. The article by Robbie Baxter, which I will link below, really digs into this phenomenon. And what struck me is how subscription fatigue isn't actually about the subscription model itself. It's about value perception breaking down. Think about it. We went from owning software outright to renting it monthly. Initially, that trade-off actually made sense. Lower upfront costs, continuous updates, flexibility to cancel. But now we are drowning in a sea of $9.99 charges that we have forgotten we even signed up for. Here's where it gets really interesting from a strategic perspective. The data shows that while 75% of consumers believe they are overspending on subscriptions, subscription-based businesses are still growing at 435% faster than traditional companies. That's a massive disconnect, and it tells us something critical. The model works, but the execution is failing. Let me break down what's really happening here. We have created what I call the subscription paradox. On one side, businesses love the predictable revenue, the lower customer acquisition costs, and the opportunity for continuous engagement. On the other side, consumers are experiencing decision fatigue, feeling nickel and dimed and losing track of their spending. The average American thinks they spend $79 on subscriptions, but actually spends $273. That gap, that's where trust actually erodes. Now here's what most SaaS companies miss. They think subscription fatigue is about price. It's not. It's about three deeper issues that directly impact your pricing strategy. First, there's a transparency problem. When customers can't easily see what they are paying for and why, they default to feeling ripped off. I have seen companies transform their retention simply by sending monthly value reports. Things like, here's what you achieved with our product this month. One B2B SaaS company I worked with saw churn drop by 23% just by implementing this minor step. Second, there's the flexibility trap. The all or nothing subscription model is dying. Customers want to dial up or down based on their needs. This is why usage-based pricing is actually exploding. It aligns cost with value in real time. But here's the key. You can't just bolt usage-based pricing onto a subscription. You need to rethink your entire value metric. Third, and this is the big one, the commoditization crisis. When every SaaS looks like another X dollars per month subscription, you are competing on price by default. The winners are differentiating through creative packaging. Think about how Spotify bundles podcasts, audiobooks, and music. They are not selling a music subscription anymore. They are selling an audio lifestyle. The psychology here is fascinating. Subscription fatigue isn't really about the money. It's about cognitive load. Every subscription is another decision to manage, another thing to remember, another potential source of buyer's remorse. Smart companies are combating this by becoming indispensable rather than just convenient. So, how do you win in this environment? Here's my framework. Number one, shift from subscription pricing to value packaging. Don't sell seats or features, sell outcome. We work with the project management SaaS that is restructured from per user pricing to per project pricing with some sort of outcome guarantees. Revenue per customer increased by 2.1 times. To implement what I call breathing room pricing. Give customers the ability to pause, downgrade, or modify without canceling. Counterintuitively, this reduces churn because it removes the all or nothing pressure. 3. Create value visibility mechanisms. If customers can't see the value, they can't justify the cost. Build value realization directly into your product experience. Number 4, consider hybrid models. The future is not pure subscription or pure usage based. It is intelligent combination. Base subscription for core value, usage based for variable value, one-time fees for very specific outcomes. Number 5, bundle strategically. But not just features. Bundle complementary solutions that reduce the customer's overall subscription load while increasing your wallet share. The companies that thrive through this subscription fatigue wave won't be the ones with the lowest prices or the most features. They will be the ones who understand that we are not selling subscriptions anymore. We are earning the right to a permanent line item in our customers' budget. If you only take away one thing from this video, take away this. Subscription fatigue is your opportunity to differentiate through strategic pricing and packaging. While your competitors race to the bottom on price, you can win by aligning your pricing model with how customers actually derive value. I am Akhil from Monetizely. If you are wrestling with retention challenges or rethinking your subscription model, drop a comment below. I would love to analyze your specific situation and help you turn subscription fatigue into your competitive advantage. What's the biggest subscription challenge you are facing right now?